Hello, today I'm going to show you how to join two pieces of knitting using the kitchen stitch. For this you will need a tapestry needle and some yarn. I'm using a contrasting color so you can see it better. You will hold your two pieces of knitting wrong sides facing each other and make sure to have the same amount of stitches on both needles. Both needles are facing you, so you will count the stitches on the front needle as knit stitches and the back needle as purl stitches. To set up the kitchen stitch, you will first thread your needle on your first stitch as if you were to purl it, and then hold your yarn. We will not take this stitch off the needles yet. Now on the back needle, the first stitch is a purl stitch, so you will pass the yarn as if you were to knit it, pull through and leave the stitch on the needle. Now you will repeat the following steps. Knit your first stitch on the front needle and pull it off the needle. Then on your second knit stitch, pull the yarn through as if to purl it and leave it on the needle. Now the first stitch on your back needle is a purl stitch and you will purl it and take it off the needle, and the next stitch you will knit it and leave it on the needle. And now repeat these steps until the end of the row. On your front needle you will knit off and then you will purl and leave and pull your yarn through, and on your back needle you will purl off and knit and leave and pull your yarn through. Make sure not to pull it too tight or too loose so you maintain the same tension as your whole project. Now repeat, knit off and purl, leave on the needle, purl off and knit, leave on the needle. You will notice that there is a new row of stitches forming between your two pieces of knitting. Make sure to adjust the tension as you go so the union is invisible. Let's repeat the steps one more time. Knit off and then purl on and pull the yarn through. Then purl off, knit on and pull through. Now I will continue until there is 2 stitches left on each needle. Remember that you can always adjust your tension as you go so the union is truly invisible and the tension is even throughout the project. I now have 2 stitches left on each needle, and we will do the steps one more time. Knit off, purl on and pull through, then purl off and knit on and pull through. And on the last 2 stitches we will just knit off and then purl off and pull through. Adjust your tension one more time so it's even throughout the row. And there you have it. This is an invisible union that you can use to join shoulders of a sweater or maybe the toe or the heel of a sock. I hope you find it helpful. If you like it, please leave it a thumbs up and see you next time. Bye!